Philharmonicas brings you an iconic musical instrument reimagined. The P. Sardo Chromatic 64 harmonica, featuring the first design innovations in over a century. Each custom-made harmonica produces the richest, fullest tone possible. Interlocking, easily disassembled components guarantee a virtually airtight system. Tubular channel covers isolate each two-note reed plate for maximum harmonic integrity. Reed plates are individually seated for limitless possibilities, free tuning, exotic scales, even changing the key of the instrument. Smooth internal edges throughout the brass comb prevents reflective distortion. The gold bar model is all brass, except for the steel slide inset in the comb for precision alignment. The P. Sardo Chromatic 64 in lustrous gold or the Silver Elite model. The purest tone, resonant lows, soaring highs, virtually indestructible. The P. Sardo Chromatic 64 is the last harmonica you will ever need.